Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Amazon affiliate program. So first off, you want to Google Amazon affiliate like this, right? And then you want to click on this website here called Amazon Associates. Just click on this. And then in this website, click on sign up here. And then you'll be directed to this form here that you have to fill out, right? So in here, you want to give it your payee name. So I'm going to do example name. I'm going to give an address as well. I'm going to make it a random address in the US. I'm just going to do a random address in the US like this. Okay, this is what it is. It's Jupiter in Florida, right? It's in 4647 Travis Street. Paste that in. For address line 2 and 3, it's not mandatory, right? Because it doesn't have the red asterisk over it. For the city, it'll be in Jupiter. And the state and province, I think it's in Florida earlier. Yeah, Florida. All right, let's just search for Florida in here. Florida. And then the zip or postal code, it'll be 33478, right? When you're actually signing up, make sure it's your actual address, right? I just give it a random phone number like that. It'll say load. And then in here, you will have to enter in your website or enter your mobile app or Alexa skills URL, right? And then you'll have to list all the top levels website and or mobile apps which you plan to display banners, which special links or other ads form most Amazon associates, right? Now, I don't have a website where I can enter this in. It'll have to go through a verification process as well. So this is as far as I can go with the tutorial. But after this, after the website and mobile apps, you'll have to enter in your profile and then you can start using Associates Central. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.